Oh, look at this. Crafty, cheeky, sneaky. Oh look, there's a big divide up here. Crikey, what have they done to the road? What are you doing? Stop it!
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me lay face down. And find the sword in your hand.
Fuck him, let's do this. Bottomed out though, I'm not too proud of that. It was because your bum was on the back, that's why.
Don't you fucking blame me.
Hello. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death. Oh mate, you can do that, that's ridiculous. Why do you stop there? Fucking, I'm gonna go around you. I'm fucking tempted to do it. Yeah, just fucking down straight, Tilterfield at that beach. Idiots. He took an IQ test and it came back negative. Last fucking second, it does all that dawdling around and then last second throws out a signal. Annoying. Just annoying. Not terrible, just annoying. Fucking annoying. Did I say it was annoying? Yeah, it was fucking annoying. It's me saying it's annoying, getting annoying, yeah, probably. Okay, I've had a web on my bike for a while now. And I just keep breaking it, and the fucker's living in my bike somewhere just rebuilding it all the time, so it's time to get rid. Come out, little fucker. Come on, there's a little something trapped in your web. What do you want? What do you want? You have nothing to do with this. This is between me and Spider-Man. He's a little one. He's very tiny. What's the hip hop, motherfucker? Yeah, get the fuck out of here, scrub.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.